Lesson 2, Chart1C. Eternal, the first and the last. God is eternal. God has no beginning nor ending. The infinite Lord God has always existed. He was not a person or persons that has a date of birth in the Old Testament, Old Covenant. A person has to have a date of birth. So in the Old Testament, God is just the Word, a spirit. He is not a man in the Old Testament. Isaiah 41:4. Who hath wrought and done it, calling the generations from the beginning? I, the Lord, the first, and with the last, I am He. Notice this is singular, not plural. I am He. This is a singular tense. I, the Lord. Not three persons, but singular tense. Isaiah 44:6. Thus saith the Lord, the King of Israel, and his Redeemer, the Lord of hosts. I am the first, and I am the last, and beside me there is no God. Mary is not ruling heaven next to God. Only God is being the ruler, and beside me there is no one else. Isaiah 48:12. Hearken unto me, O Jacob and Israel, my called. I am He, I am the first, I also am the last. Psalm 102:12. But thou, O Lord, shalt endure forever, and thy remembrance unto all generations. Psalm 102:27. But thou art the same, and thy years shall have no end. Revelation 1:8. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the ending, saith the Lord, which is, and which was, and which is to come, the Almighty. Revelation 1:11 and 17. Saying, I am Alpha and Omega, the first and the last. And when I saw him, I fell at his feet as dead, and he laid his right hand upon me, saying unto me, Fear not, I am the first and the last. Still singular tense in Revelation. Revelation 2:8. And unto the angel of the church in Smyrna write, These things saith the first and the last, which was dead and is alive. Revelation 21:6. And he said unto me, It is done. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. Revelation 22:13. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end, the first and the last. Revelation 22:16. I, Jesus, have sent mine angel to testify unto you these things in the churches. I am the root and the offspring of David, and the bright and morning star. You can order all these charts and lessons from this class at the PentecostalPublishingHouse.com website. They also have pre-printed lessons, quizzes, and certificates you can hand out to the classroom for your students. All the scriptures and lexicon are found on the esword.net website, which you can download for free. Go to Google search Minister Gail Apostolic Teacher on YouTube to find more classes showing how to use several online resources for the Strong's Concordance. Learn Biblical Hebrew, alphabet, and root words, and classes on salvation for any denomination, beginners, students, pastors, preachers, priests, and ministers, which can be used at home or in any religious setting on your phone, tablet PC, or large screen TV, translated by closed caption into your own language. Thank you for coming to this class. Please click and subscribe to see more classes on my Search for Truth 2 Bible study by the Pentecostal Publishing House, Minister Gail, of the original Judeo-Christian one God teaching in the Bible.